So there may be a few of you that are wondering, well, when are we talking about robots? Obviously, we talked about a lot of those digital systems, but now we'll get into exactly what robots or robotics means. Contrary to common discussion, robots are not always humanoid-looking machines with arms, legs, and facial structure. Robotics, on the other hand, is an interdisciplinary field that combines computer science and engineering, including design, construction, operation, and use of robots to perform tasks. So, a robot requires three fundamental things to be considered a true robot. It needs a machine or hardware, a program, also known as software, and lastly, the ability to carry out a complex series of physical actions automatically. These actions often mimic and replace the actions of the humans involved within that process. Robots and the study of robotics seeks to develop new and innovative machines that can replace human effort. The replacement of human effort isn't necessarily the core objective. However, the economics are often the motivator. Training is a major economic factor for employee replacement and employee turnover. This may drive training costs up. In contrast, robots can be replaced with the same or similar robot with limited downtime, as the robot will only require the loading of a software or a software update. So what are the benefits? The implementation of robotics within the supply chain is revolutionizing the efficiencies and costs through increased safety, speed, consistency, and productivity. Robotics and automation should not be viewed as a job killer, but more so a job migrator. The study and implementation of robotics is a very new concept and has created a completely new field for study and job opportunity. Many of the tasks being taken over by robotics are often the tasks that create the least amount of employee satisfaction. The robotics field has an abundance of opportunities as it continues to mature, and through the emergence of new subfields within robotics, we also see new problems that need to be solved. This is the realization of job migration, and it is up to the individuals to recognize where opportunities for employment lie and seek the education that will allow them to step into these positions. So as a summarization, in session 5, we've covered many of the new technologies that are promising big changes to the way we operate and monitor our supply chain systems. We've explored the differences between metrics and analytics and how all these considerations can be brought together to create a superior operational system. So as a quick note, we've covered metrics and analytics, artificial intelligence, which essentially has crossover, the Internet of Things, blockchain, robotics, and how this all creates a technological convergence. So where are we going next? In session 6, we'll look at enterprise resource planning, the capacities and complexities of integration, the individuality of your business, and the coordination of your organizational elements.